My wife is going to guess the noise of the Pokemon from each card that I pull, and I've got to try not to laugh. She knows nothing about Pokemon either.
What's this? Rock fluff. Oh, Caterpie. Magmar. Magmar. Maricuts. Cactus. I can't read that. Toad Scroodle.
Fucking hell, that got me good. Oh, we're just going to go through the rest now. That was fucked. Oh! Got a Rabombi.
I'm all wet.
We got a good card. Look at that.
Lucky you didn't get water on it.